Say hello.
Hello.
Kind of pointing at you. Does it look straight?
It looks pretty centered.
Down or
Probably
up?
put it a little bit more down.
Because I'm going to be standing like this.
Yeah, you might want to go down.
Like that?
Maybe a little more, maybe.
Yeah. That? That's
yeah,
good?
that's good?
Okay. I can currently hear them looking for the, I think the last one up top there. Yeah, but it looks like they have some guys down low and some up high where we just were. I got some right here. I got two over here. What was that?
My mask is fogging up.
Oh, shoot.
I'm going to switch out to the mesh.
Probably the mesh, yeah, for next time. I got movement pushing up. Tango down, not too sure if he was already dead, but he was walking with his gun. Pushing in with explosives. No. W01F. That's Whiskey 01 Foxtrot. Jacob, are you dead? No, you're going in? Okay. I'm pushing up while we got some cover. Jacob, you in here?
Yeah, come for it.
Is the guy in white pants on our team?
I think so.
Hey, same team, guy! Whoa!
Blue!
Is that friendly?
So not friendlies outside. We're at 2.
Town center friendly?
Let's go.
Cheers.
Yeah.
We just need to get a bell tower.
Enemies this side. I'm gonna push forward.
Is it? Yeah. Hey, this is Blue and Bell.
Copy. I'm going bell.
Top's friendly. Think so. Jacob, send him out. Where are you taking rounds from?
I'm not sure. Sounds like it's from
Copy that. Which one is it? Oh shit, sorry. I ripped you. Where'd you come from? Sorry, I shot you, dude. Oh, rip. Our guy was taking rounds from above silos, so I thought it was you.
No, sir.
So I got you.
Well, at least I found you.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna say, Jacob's up here. Behind.
2 or 6. Come on, guys.
Hit! I think I traded.
How many more need to get it?
Only that one needs to be corrected. It's the second letter number that needs to be corrected. It was the 4th, which was corrected this time.
All right, Jacob, I don't think they're going to be firing at you from red 2 over here, so we're going to push up a little bit. Copy that. Yeah, I don't think they have any kind of angle on us right now. Maybe if we get further up. Oh, I hear one. Yeah, we need you probably to push in. I got one coming out of red, 2. Scratch that tango. There is one still inside.
That's red 2 right there.
That's red 2 right there, yeah. There's still one inside. Their windows point towards village, so I don't think they can do anything unless they peek. Jacob wants to get back in there, though.
I'm crossing the line of fire.
Copy that. I'll try and keep you covered. Watch, I think our friendlies are still in village. Jacob, if you want, we can take red 2. We can just push up and I can throw my nade in there. Still one hostile inside red 2, be careful.
That's enemy, light him up! Where? He's hit. Different one, sorry, man. One more pushing down outside of her.
Tango down. Alright, do you guys want me to rush it again? Here. Can you hold on to this for me? Thanks, boss. Here, I'll put on safety. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, do you mind pushing up just a little bit so I can get past you?
Try and keep it behind red 2.
I'm gonna push up and throw this in there.
Okay, your pistol gun?
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
You're fine. I'm guessing you're both.
Blue.
Yeah. Damn it, I told you there was 4 guys right there. We could have got them. We couldn't find
It's all clear, guys. All clear. Come in. Come on in. Oh, hey. Thank you so much, man. Very kindly appreciated. Do you want me to rearm, or are we just going to push through?
We just gotta keep pushing. I'm not sure if it's
Copy that. All right. What happened to the guys in blue that were in village?
Not sure.
you want to push in there and just check?
Yeah, we gotta check it out.
Copy. You're more valuable than I am. I'll go in.
I don't even have the map.
Huh?
I don't even have the map.
Who has the map?
Homicide had it last.
Oh, okay. We were just double checking. Hit.
Contact, contact, contact.
Moving out of line of fire.
Again, brother. Yeah. So I came in and there was a team here. I'm like, okay. There's nobody there. Okay.
Already hit? Damn, dude. Getting shot from over here?
No.
Ah. I was gonna say.
They're in Bell Tower.
Already? Jesus.
Yeah. They're young and fast. That man walking.
So you said you want to go get them one at a time? I can push up. Okay, so we're gonna run down past the red. Then we're gonna run back up. Alright.
You stay here, you come with us.
It's a tight fit.
There's one grenade in here.
Alright, Jacob, let's move. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna run behind you. Alright, go, go, go. Looks clear. Alright, we're down here. I got you covered if you want to move. Yeah.
We're pushing up this way, right?
I believe so, yeah. So we're thinking about going down and coming back up. You got eyes on anything? Moving towards Silo, copy. Bell tower? Shoot. I'm getting totally pinned down over here. Okay, here's bell tower. I'm gonna try and make a break for that rock right there. Oh, okay, those are enemies. I don't have great eyes on there. I'm more concerned about ammo can. Or, sorry, wagon. Jacob's saying we should just make a break for it.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get some
Me and him can take...
behind us.
Yep. Is that you, Jacob? Okay. Who said it? Whoa, whoa, aren't you dead? Oh, no, I'm not hit. I don't know what's going on.
I didn't even see you get hit.
I don't think I did. When I'm wearing a short sleeve, so I kind of feel it.
You blew come down loud? Okay. Hit.
You hit?
Hey, here's your grenade back.
Oh, hey, thanks. You don't have to do that.
Dang, as soon as this kid was like, they're all clear in there, I tapped them. Good shit.
Dead blue coming out. Dead
Silas
blue.
clear. I got a few.
He died.
Copy that. Silas completely clear. I'll try and hit him with my pistol. I mean, if it's not too much of a burden, you can try and move up with it. I'm all the way in silo. I scared him. I got one, and I think one more got hit. You can try and let them know that silo is red, though. Someone's shooting at me. I got another one down behind the rocks. That's 2 or 3 down behind the rocks here, Jacob. I currently control silo, but I'm getting shot at from village. Is that you above me? Somebody's above me. Copy that. Can you just yell at them that there's a friendly on the bottom of silo and an enemy above silo? Oh, nice shot, dude. I don't know if that was a ricochet, but I'm out. You got me. I said you got me.
Ricochets don't count here.
Oh, okay. Well,
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I was gonna call it.
Move behind me.
Nothing. Yeah, I know. Is red 2 ours? Hopefully.
Red 2 should be ours.
Okay, good. Somebody got shot from back there.
Yeah, there's enemies below red 2. I mean,
Well, I saw some enemies go above towards red blue. Or red 2.
red blue.
Red blue. Silo.
Yeah.
Because they have the highest ground and they have probably something.
Well, we got the one sniper on our team already.
Yeah, no, but they were the Dragunov kids.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the Dragunov.
Okay, with the same type Dragunov.
What do you got?
One just to the left. And at least one in silo.
Just the left, one inside?
Yeah.
Oh man, I wish I hadn't used all my pistol ammo. I still have a little bit left. I can try.
If you just go out and turn left, he's right there.
Hey, any confirmed kills there behind silo?
Out of silo and then turn left?
I think he's outside silo. Yeah.
I think so, yeah, that's where he was when I was out there. Are there still rats? It looks like there's rats behind a rock, yeah. Let me know if you're going to stand up.
Yeah, no one's that way.
Just giving them a scare behind that rock there. Also like to hear the bullets whizzing by. Okay. Is that Chris? Okay, yeah, that is.
We're gonna get this guy out of here.
Ah, yeah, we do. Is there anyone below the road?
They're peeking, they're peeking.
I see him.
I'm not sure. But we gotta push.
A BB filter, the thing. And
Yeah, I wouldn't count that. Let's push.
I'm not going to.
But that was fun.
I went for a back and bounce off of it.
Let's push. Watch left, ready? Hey, we're pushing,
Go, go, go.
Hey, I got guys high side on the hill.
Stay low, stay low.
High hill, high hill.
Let me watch over there.
Somebody's... Hit! Hit!
Whenever he's done firing, I'll go. Are you slow?
I'm slow and fast, so I'll be a little bit behind, yeah. How you liking the hill, by the way? It's a killer when you go all the way up, like from the bottom here. It sucks. But this should be right about where we are, I guess, but just parallel. Oh, we got eyes on. Is that bell tower? Oh. Gonna wait for them to push. Yeah. Oh, we got a friendly down. Was that a friendly running? There we go. I think it's up top. Okay, we're gonna go with Jacob. He's pushing. You guys down near the fence line? So if they're on dish, they're probably gonna have posted up around it in front, yeah. So that'll be like right over here. Hey, go down to the bottom and take a tinkle. Okay. Looks like Jacob sees something. Up top.
shot.
Can't find my dead bag again.
Oh, rip.
Well, thank you.
We're taking contact right now.
I think on his left. Go, go, go. Hit, hit. Hit. What's up? Do you guys see them above village? I'm pointing at them right here. What's going on? We're going in. Be careful. Teammates down from up
5
there.
minutes, guys. Let's get this target and get out of here.
I'm gonna try and flush this guy out up here. I'm probably gonna get gunned down, but can you see anything? Any eyes on?
I can't see anything.
Friendly.
Making sure. I know. It's not 4 different people too. I'm like,
Not yet. Come straight ahead toward the fence. Is there a marksman around? I'm right here. Don't look. Come this way. Go down the center.
Moving in. Behind red wine.
Your target is right below. You can see it from where I'm standing, but you see it from the main doorway too. Okay?
here. I'm gonna try to get past.
Copy that.
We need to get rid of that. You guys know where it's at?
Where?
Oh, there, right there. It's right there, guys.
Careful guys up top.
It's not getting hit? Hey, I'm on your team.
He's moving left.
Bro, we need red rags.
Well, we're gonna end up getting shot anyway.
Yeah, sorry, I shot you guys. I didn't see your hand.
We got it?
I was the guy in the tower. I got like shot in the finger, then in the neck.
Marksman's good?
I'm like, I'm dead.
Yeah.